Alright, I just got done filming the elevator over at that strip mall. And right here, we have another strip mall. I assume it's by the same name, Waterford Towers. And we have another elevator to ride. There's a machine room. Elevator sign. And look at that, we have another Schindler 330A to ride with HTVR. No chimes. Let's go to 2. Second floor. Right, number 1. The outer chime works on the second floor. Same cab as the one I filmed next door. Very basic for a strip mall. This one seems a bit more beat up. Your floor indicator, Schindler logo, capacity is 2500, certificates, HTVR buttons. We'll go up one more time to 2. And as we all know, for most Schindler 330As, door close does not work. Here 1, 2. And now we'll end at 1. Watch the button go out. And here at 1. That was pretty quick down here on 1. I'll send this upstairs to listen to the motor from the machine room. Lantern lights up, but it does not ring or chime. And the machine room is right here. You can't really hear anything, unfortunately. Oh well. All you say is now, that'll be it.